If you're looking for a nice little portable blanket to keep you warm this winter, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am spending more time in the outdoors, and it is cold this winter. The air is crisp, and so are my pants. And so I wanted to find a blanket that I could throw in my trunk, have with me, maybe use in an emergency, but also be able to carry around, you know, for those sleigh rides that you're going to participate in. And I picked this up. It's actually really cool. First of all, it's not that big. You can see it's kind of like the size of one of those coffee carafes or a quart of milk or something like that. And what you can see on this side is we have kind of this durable nylon and a nylon handle here. Again, nothing overbuilt. It's not meant to be a backpack or anything like that. But with this flap here, what we can do is we can pull this away. This is all Velcro, and everything around here is fleece. It's a fleece blanket. It unrolls like that, and then you can unfold it like this. And now what we have is a fleece blanket, and the dimensions are about 5 feet by 4 feet. So this is great for putting on your lap, maybe wrapping around you if you're in a cold car, something like that. You can see the fleece material here is just kind of like a single ply, but it's pretty thick. It's not like a fleece vest or anything like that, but it's kind of like that fleece throat blanket that you would have on your couch. So you might even be able to see me through the weave there just a little bit. And it's sewed there on the edge, but fleece on both sides. So sometimes this will have like a polyester or nylon outside, you know, to shed water or something like that. This is really meant more for being indoors. If you have snow falling on you or something like that, it's not going to repel anything, but this will keep you warm, especially in an emergency. Now, I also want to show you here that this little flap right here has a little pocket. It's not Velcroed or anything, but you can put your valuables on this. So if you were putting this down on the ground, say having a picnic on it, you wanted to do a little sunbathing, you could put your car keys and your wallet in there so that you know where they are. Now, if I open this up, you know, the Velcro on this side, I probably need more hands to put this all back together, but I'm going to grab it like this. I'm going to take these pieces here. I'm going to hold it inside. I'm going to hold this one over like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it up from the bottom. And I will say, I haven't made this super accurate. I actually don't think you need to get it like super tight. It's not like something that's going to go in a stuff sack. Rolled it back up. It doesn't have to be super precise, but you can see we have a receiving end of the Velcro strip right there. So all I have to do is marry them up here. Put them together just like that, and now this thing is ready to go with me on my next adventure. So if you are looking for a nice warm blanket to throw in the trunk of your car to take with you on your next sleigh ride, or maybe something to take with you on your picnic that might fit in your picnic basket, I think this blanket will do the trick, and it's not that expensive. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than